Well, if you're anything like me, you're probably thinking, man, I really want to change this top image. My website has nothing to do with photography or this guy, and maybe you have a really cool image already picked out. So let's go over how to, change this image and maybe put some content there. So let's go back into our back end, and we're going to go down to Appearance and go to Customize. Alright, now from here we can just scroll down and we'll see header image right here. And we can just lower this, and from here we see our current header. And we can just go to add new image to upload our own image. Now if you have an image already picked out, you can go ahead and upload it right now. And if you look in the section files for this lecture, I have uploaded an image that I just threw together in Photoshop. It's just a guy holding an iPhone that says yes to press. So go ahead and download that file and save it to your desktop. And I'm just going to click Add New and upload the file myself. And I've called it header-bg.jpg. So let's just upload this file. Let's wait for this to load. Alright, and then from there we can select and crop. And I want it to take up the whole image, so I'm just going to drag this all the way down. Actually, let's just have it take up just to the hand. Alright, and I'm just going to crop it from there. And there we go. We can see our new image is uploaded. Pretty cool. We can also put some content here. So if we were to, let's minimize that and go up to the welcome area. And the welcome area, we can add a title. So I'm just going to show you really quickly, like title, and this will populate right here. That'd be the title. We could do a description, and then we could also add some text and do a call to button, or a call to action button. And I'm just going to say get started, and then for the link we're just going to put a pound or a hashtag until we create a contact page. But there, we've added some stuff here. Doesn't look very good with the image that I've uploaded, so I'm just going to delete the get started, delete the button, and delete the description. And I'm just going to put a title, We Build Apps. Alright, and from here we can actually disable, this image is going to be on the top of all our images, but we can disable that here. Let's keep this open for now, and we can also disable the little pattern we see here. So if we disable that, we can see that it's a little more clear. I actually kind of like the pattern, so I'm going to keep that and unselect that. Alright, and now from here we can change our color. So we could change the color of everything. And let me go back up here really quickly and just put in some fake stuff real quick. Coding, I'm just going to write that, and then call to action, let's just do get started, and then hashtag for the link. Let's just explore with some of these colors. So I'm going to keep this white here, but you can, like this, we love coding, doesn't look very good. I'm just going to change that color to, that looks awful. Actually, gray is probably going to be the best option, which what we were on. Let's do a light gray. Okay, and we can also change our button color. Now let's just change this to a blue. Something less than that. Let's try. And I'm just going to select random stuff. It doesn't really matter. I'm just showing y'all. And then you notice that it looks terrible because it has that red shadow. But if we change that to, a similar blue, maybe a little bit darker or lighter. And if we were to save and publish this, let's just take a look at it in the full screen. There, so we have replaced, and that's loading slowly, we've replaced this background image We've added some stuff here. I'm actually going to remove the We Love Coding and the Get Started button, but you can do whatever you want with this top section. I just wanted to show you how it works. For now, this image will do. It's not that guy, taking a picture, which has no relevance. So I'm going to go back here really quickly into the back end. I'm going to delete my call to action button, and I'm going to delete the We Love Coding. And I'm just going to keep that title. I'm going to save and publish it. And for now, that's how I'm going to keep it. Let's refresh this one more time. It just looks a little bit cleaner. We build apps. Simple is better, in my opinion at least. So looks pretty good. We've changed the very top section. We've got a little bit of content on our homepage, but we need to add some more. So let's keep going.